Hello, every joins. My name is Jorge Rivero. I am 41 years old and I am from Lima, but now I live in Cusco. I am the professional risk preventionist in the construction sector, and I am very passionate my safety career. Regarding my unique personal abilities, I can speak a little Quechua and I can swim very well in in-depth pools. In my daily routine, I I always work hard during the morning and I usually study ingeniería cursi in the evening. However, sometimes I happily hang out with my beautiful family and weekend because I long them very much. I really like delicious Chinese food, especially arroz chaufa. But I completely dislike washing dirty clothes and home. Currently, I live in the comfortable department that I rent in the traditional and quiet city of Calca, Cusco. King City, it there is a big living room. There are two cozy uh, bed bedrooms and a wooden tablet is next to the kitchen. Be the way. What do you usually do with your family during your free time? I'll always travel to wonderful places with them clearly remember and wonderful table vacations that we made to Quillabamba. It is a wild, hungry part of Cusco. We thoroughly enjoyed the hot water, ate delicious local food, and we happily is wine in its beautiful public pools. That past trip was an amazing experience for us because it gave us many happy memories together. Finally, I am I am to finish my academic student quickly and I would like to the graduation satisfactorily very soon. This great educational goal is extremely important for me and my future. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.